Giveaway number 40. Do Facebook marketing. What is Facebook marketing? Facebook marketing is another form of affiliate marketing in which marketers promote products on Facebook. It is suitable for people who like to use Facebook and spends lots of time on it. Skills required in Facebook marketing are ability to create appealing Facebook posts and images, ability to promote your page on Facebook, ability to persuade people with proper reasoning. Now let's talk about the time required for starting Facebook marketing. You can easily start Facebook marketing by creating promotional posts and create a Facebook page promoting any particular product. This can be done within minutes. How to monetize? First, get more people to visit on your Facebook page. Second, start promoting any affiliate product relevant to your Facebook page. Third, if possible, use Facebook ads to promote your post and page in a wider range of audience. Fourth, more people buy products through the affiliate link, more money you will make. Does this method fits with you? If yes, then start today.